Hey everyone, Chef Stefini here. Welcome to Bangkok, Thailand. This city is a bustling metropolis known for its vibrant street life, rich culture, and of course its incredible food scene. Today, we're diving deep into one of Bangkok's hidden gems, a tiny street that's bursting with flavors and culinary delights. Today we're going on a food adventure on a tiny street that's packed with flavor. This street may be small in size, but it's huge in taste and variety. From sizzling woks to aromatic spices, every corner of this street tells a story of Thailand's rich culinary heritage. It's called Songwat Road, and it's the shortest street in Bangkok. Despite its size, Songwat Road is a treasure trove of culinary wonders. This street has been a local favorite for decades, and today, we're going to uncover why it holds such a special place in the hearts of food lovers. You might think, how much good food can they fit on such a small street? Well, prepare to be surprised. Songwat Road is a testament to the saying that good things come in small packages. Every stall here offers something unique, from traditional Thai dishes to innovative street food creations. The aromas, the colors, the sounds of sizzling and chopping, it's a sensory overload in the best possible way. Whether you're a seasoned foodie or a curious traveler, Songwat Road has something to tantalize your taste buds. We're going to try 4 of the most delicious Thai dishes you must try in Thailand. Each dish tells a story of its own, reflecting the rich history and diverse influences that make Thai cuisine so special. From the spicy and tangy to the sweet and savory, these dishes are a true representation of Thailand's culinary prowess. And we're going to find them all right here on Songwat. So, whether you're craving a hearty bowl of noodles or a refreshing dessert, Songwat Road has got you covered. Get your stomachs ready and let's go. So, grab your chopsticks, bring your appetite, and join me as we explore the incredible flavors of Songwat Road. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. First stop. Our first stop is a stall that's famous for its pad thai. This iconic dish is a must-try for anyone visiting Thailand. The combination of stir-fried noodles, fresh vegetables, and succulent shrimp, all tossed in a tangy tamarind sauce, is simply irresistible. The vendor here has been perfecting this recipe for years, and you can taste the love and dedication in every bite. As we savor the flavors of this delicious pad thai, it's easy to see why this dish is a favorite among locals and tourists alike. The balance of sweet, sour, and savory flavors, combined with the perfect texture of the noodles, makes it a truly unforgettable experience. Second stop. Next up, we have som tum, a spicy green papaya salad that's a staple in Thai cuisine. This dish is a perfect example of the bold and vibrant flavors that Thai food is known for. The crunch of the green papaya, the heat from the chilies, and the tanginess of the lime juice all come together to create a dish that's both refreshing and exhilarating. As we dig into this zesty salad, it's clear why som tum is such a beloved dish. The combination of textures and flavors is a true delight for the senses. It's the perfect dish to enjoy on a hot day, offering a burst of freshness with every bite. Third dish. Our third dish is satay, skewered and grilled meat that's marinated in a flavorful blend of spices. This dish is a crowd pleaser, with its tender and juicy meat that's perfectly charred on the outside. The accompanying peanut sauce adds a rich and creamy element that complements the smoky flavors of the grilled meat. As we bite into these succulent skewers, it's easy to see why satay is a favorite street food in Thailand. The combination of the smoky, charred meat and the creamy peanut sauce is simply divine. It's a dish that's sure to satisfy any meat lover's cravings. Fourth dish, mango sticky rice. No food adventure in Thailand would be complete without trying mango sticky rice. This classic Thai dessert is a perfect blend of sweet and creamy flavors. The sticky rice is cooked to perfection, and the ripe mango adds a burst of freshness. The dish is then topped with a drizzle of coconut milk, making it a truly indulgent treat. As we savor this delightful dessert, it's clear why mango sticky rice is a favorite among locals and tourists alike. The combination of the sweet mango, creamy coconut milk, and sticky rice is a match made in heaven. It's the perfect way to end our food adventure on Songwat Road. So there you have it, my friends. 4 incredible dishes that you must try when you visit Songwat Road in Bangkok. This tiny street may be small in size, but it's huge in flavor. From savory to sweet, every dish here is a testament to the rich culinary heritage of Thailand. Now that you know what the dishes are, let us dig deeper into these dishes. First up, the Thai classic pad thai. This dish is not just a meal, It's a cultural experience that embodies the essence of Thai street food. Originating in the 1930s, Pad Thai was introduced as part of a national campaign to reduce rice consumption in Thailand. Today, it stands as a symbol of Thai cuisine, loved by locals and tourists alike. You can find Pad Thai everywhere in Thailand, from bustling city streets to quiet rural villages. Each vendor has their own unique twist on the recipe, making every bite a new adventure. The vibrant street food culture in Thailand is a testament to the country's rich culinary heritage, and Pad Thai is at the heart of it all. But Songwat has some of the best. This area is renowned for its street food, and Pad Thai here is a must-try. The vendors at Songwat have perfected their craft over generations, ensuring that each plate of Pad Thai is a masterpiece. The bustling atmosphere, combined with the mouth-watering aroma of stir-fried noodles, creates an unforgettable dining experience. Pad Thai is stir-fried noodles with a perfect mix of sweet, sour, salty, and a little spicy. The noodles are typically made from rice, giving them a chewy texture that absorbs the flavors of the sauce beautifully. The dish is cooked quickly over high heat, ensuring that the ingredients retain their freshness and crunch. The secret is in the sauce, made with tamarind, fish sauce, sugar, and chilies. This combination creates a harmonious balance of flavors that is both complex and satisfying. Tamarind provides a tangy base, while fish sauce adds depth and umami. The sugar balances the acidity, and the chilies give it a kick of heat. Each vendor has their own secret recipe, often passed down through generations. And don't forget the toppings. These are what elevate Pad Thai from a simple noodle dish to a culinary delight. The toppings add texture, flavor, and a burst of freshness that complements the rich, savory noodles. Bean sprouts and chives are essential. The bean sprouts add a crisp, refreshing crunch, while the chives provide a subtle onion-like flavor that enhances the overall taste. These fresh ingredients are added just before serving to ensure they retain their vibrant texture and flavor. And peanuts add even more flavor and crunch. The roasted peanuts are usually crushed and sprinkled on top, adding a nutty aroma and a satisfying crunch that contrasts beautifully with the soft noodles. Some vendors also offer additional toppings like lime wedges, dried shrimp, or even banana blossoms, allowing you to customize your Pad Thai to your liking. Some people say Pad Thai was invented right here in Bangkok. This bustling city, known for its vibrant street life and rich history, is often credited as the birthplace of this iconic dish. But what makes Pad Thai so special, and how did it come to be such a beloved part of Thai cuisine? To understand that, we need to take a journey back in time. During World War II, people started eating rice noodles to save rice. The war had caused a shortage of rice, which was a staple in the Thai diet. In an effort to conserve this precious resource, the government encouraged the consumption of rice noodles instead. This shift not only helped alleviate the rice shortage, but also paved the way for the creation of new and innovative dishes, including Pad Thai. The Prime Minister even held cooking contests to find the best Pad Thai recipe. These contests were part of a larger campaign to promote Thai nationalism and unity during a difficult time. The winning recipes were shared widely, and soon Pad Thai became a symbol of Thai identity and resilience. The dish was not only delicious but also represented the ingenuity and adaptability of the Thai people. Now, people all over the world love Pad Thai, but it's extra special to eat it here in Thailand. The flavors are more authentic, the ingredients fresher, and the experience of eating it in a bustling street market is unmatched. Whether you're a local or a tourist, enjoying a plate of Pad Thai in Bangkok is a culinary experience like no other. The dish has transcended its humble beginnings to become a global favorite, yet it remains deeply rooted in Thai culture and tradition. Let's go to a famous Pad Thai place on Songwat. This street is renowned for its food stalls and restaurants, each offering their unique take on Pad Thai. As we walk through Songwat, you'll see the passion and dedication that goes into making this dish. From the sizzling woks to the fragrant aromas, every element comes together to create a truly unforgettable meal. So, come with us as we explore the flavors and history of Pad Thai on Songwat. Here it is, a Songwat legend. This family-run place has been here for over 50 years. There's always a line, and the smell is amazing. Smoky, sweet, and savory all at once. The cooks are so fast and skilled. One bite, and you'll see why everyone loves it. Second up the list, som tum, or green papaya salad. This one is spicy, it's tangy, crunchy, and full of flavor. Som tum is from northeastern Thailand. It's made with unripe papaya, chilies, garlic, long beans, tomatoes, fish sauce, lime juice, and palm sugar, all pounded together for an amazing flavor explosion. Som tum has the perfect mix of spicy, sour, salty, and sweet. It's like a party in your mouth. And you eat it with sticky rice. The sticky rice is sweet and chewy, and it goes perfectly with the spicy salad. We're looking for the best som tum on Songwat, and I know just the place. This stall is run by the queen of som tum. She's been making it for over 30 years. Watch how she pounds the ingredients. She puts so much love into every serving. Let's try it. Third dish? Now for another Thai icon, Tom Yum Goong. This soup is a flavor explosion. It's spicy, sour, salty, and savory all at once. The key is balance. You've got chilies, lime juice, fish sauce, galangal, lemongrass, and juicy prawns. One sip and you'll be hooked. You can find Tom Yum Goong everywhere in Thailand, but on Songwat, look for small family-run places. They often have the best recipes. Try a few different versions. Some are spicier, some are more sour. It's all part of the fun. This Tom Yum Goong is from this restaurant. A lovely couple has been making it for over 20 years. The broth is rich and flavorful, and the prawns are perfect. This is what I love about Thai food. Every dish tells a story. Fourth dish. Now for the perfect ending to any Thai meal, mango sticky rice. This dish is pure happiness. Sweet mango with slightly salty sticky rice is magical. The rice is steamed and drizzled with creamy coconut milk. On Songwat, there's a stall called Sweet Dreams. Noi has been making mango sticky rice for over 20 years. Look for the bright pink umbrella on Songwat. That's Sweet Dreams. Noi is there, slicing mangoes and making her magic. Just point to the mango sticky rice and she'll make you a plate. Eat it fresh, maybe by the canal. It's a taste of Thailand you won't forget. Notice how the flavors and textures mix. The sweet mango, the salty rice, the creamy coconut milk. It's like a little burst of sunshine. The perfect ending to your Songwat food tour. Final leg of our tour. Now you probably want something refreshing. No trip to Thailand is complete without Thai iced tea. This orange drink is sweet, creamy, and refreshing. It's made with strong tea, spices like star anise and cardamom, and lots of sweetened condensed milk and evaporated milk. On Songwat, there's a cafe called Cha Yen Sabai, which means relaxed Thai iced tea. Look for the blue and white sign. They make their Thai iced tea with traditional methods and great ingredients. Try the Thai iced green tea or Thai iced coffee too. Enjoy your Thai iced tea while watching the world go by on Songwat. It's a perfect reminder of the amazing flavors of Thailand. So there you have it, the 5 best Thai foods on Songwat. From pad Thai to mango sticky rice, this street is a food lover's dream. Thanks for joining me. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comment section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.